Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and durability. First, let's talk about the interior. Kenworth is known for its rugged build quality, and the 2026 T2000 Motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends practicality with luxury. The materials used throughout are robust yet refined, from premium leather seating to polished wood trim. The living room area includes a massive flat-screen TV, a high-end surround sound system, and a wide panoramic windshield that gives you stunning views on the road. The kitchen is built for convenience and style, featuring a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and even a built-in coffee station for long-haul comfort. The master bedroom with a king-size bed delivers first-class rest, while the full-size bathroom with modern fixtures ensures you enjoy home-like comfort wherever you travel. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is a commanding presence on the road. With its bold, aerodynamic, truck-inspired design, it offers both improved fuel efficiency and highway stability. The exterior features a premium metallic paint finish that not only enhances durability, but also adds a professional look. A massive power retractable awning transforms into an outdoor lounge area, while heavy-duty alloy wheels and the signature Kenworth emblem reinforce its exclusivity. Built on the proven T2000 semi-truck chassis, this motorhome offers unmatched strength and long-haul reliability without compromising maneuverability. Every detail on the outside reflects Kenworth's legacy of durability combined with modern luxury. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is powered by a next-generation 15.0-liter X15 diesel engine, delivering immense torque for smooth highway cruising and the ability to conquer steep grades with ease. Paired with Eaton automated transmission, gear shifts are seamless, balancing power with efficiency. The advanced air suspension system ensures a stable and comfortable ride even on challenging terrains. Equipped with the latest driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, the T2000 Motorhome makes handling a massive rig surprisingly easy. It's a true blend of trucking power and luxury touring performance. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is designed for those who demand the very best in both performance and comfort. With a starting price of around $650,000, it sits firmly in the premium category. This cost reflects its heavy-duty engineering, advanced technology, and handcrafted luxury features. Buyers aren't just paying for a vehicle, they're investing in an ultra-reliable long-haul lifestyle machine capable of crossing continents in total comfort. The price tag includes Kenworth's legendary build quality, bespoke interiors, and the confidence of owning a motorhome engineered for endurance. To sum up, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is an extraordinary combination of trucking power, luxury amenities, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a level of comfort and capability that few motorhomes can match. Whether you're planning to cross highways coast to coast or simply want the ultimate luxury touring experience, the T2000 Motorhome delivers on every promise. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.